embarking on a magical journey.
No! I don't mean filming a porno!
Live long and forever prosper.
I like cheese!
I am a medieval Jedi.
Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz! Because all the wonderful things he does! I swear to God, if anybody was walking by, they would smoke we were swearing weed!
Yeah, fuck it.
Alas! To get across this passageway, you must first answer me question 3. Is your favorite color purple? 2. What is your quest? Find golden snitch. 3. What is the airspeed velocity of an average African swallow? I don't know that. Peacemaker! Stop it, you fool! Stop it! Stop it, you fool! Stop it! Stop it! No!
The peace has been made.
To your left, you'll see a whole bunch of trees. If you look to your right, you'll see a campfire. But that's nothing! What the hell? Look! Alas! A snake trap! Trail! Track! Right back! Magical adventure shit is overrated. You can see her fucking hair? Yeah, so fucking I know that! Fuck! Shit! Fuck! Crap! Shit! I think she has Tourette's. Stop! Okay, we have 2 choices. Count them. 1, 2. This must be a democracy. We have to decide together which way we shall go. Stop!
Okay, Jess, you're gonna want to stand out this stick for the beginning of this.
What's this?
No.
This magical rated shit! Journey!
We have to start.
Okay, let's stop. If you look to your left, you see a whole bunch of trees. If you look to your right, you'll see part of a campground. But that's... Wait a second.